Now you should show this one next to yours so they can see what a good boat looks like and what a raggedy boat looks like. Well, that's how I guess we're gonna start off the video. Austin spoke his mind about what we got in front of us, y'all. We're normally doing some cool stuff in the beginning, a little intro, but we're just jumping right into it. Austin is here with me. You guys see from the title. Y'all see from the title and thumbnail, we have a new purchase, a new build for the channel. And if you guys are new here, probably about 2 years ago, we did the same exact thing. I actually got a John boat for free, and we fully restored the whole entire thing. I mean, trailer, everything, and now that's the boat that you guys see Austin and I fish on a lot, and it's become part of the channel.
I fish, you cast. It's a little different, but
let me think that. And yeah, so we did something a little different today, y'all. We bought a bass boat. Now this thing, just from looking at it, don't judge, all right? Because if you saw the way my John boat was when we first bought it, it was not okay. It was bad. It was terrible. Had to do a lot of body work. We had to do a lot to get this boat where it was at. But then I took some time and got to put some, and even my trucks, y'all. I mean, you guys, if you know me well enough, just by looking at this boat, do not judge the way it looks right now. You guys see it. Literally, we have a trailer, a body, and a motor. That's all we got. We got a trolling motor with it too. It's a good package deal. The trailer does not go to this boat. It's a lot bigger. So there's a lot of stuff we're gonna have to do to this. So enough talking. Let me show you guys what we bought. All right, so y'all can see this is the boat. It's a 14 or 16 foot Peterson. It is a 1986. It's a little bit older of a boat, but it's fiberglass. What my last boat was. And y'all, it's badass, I'm telling you. This is a good, solid boat with a lot of stuff we're gonna do to it. I'm gonna walk you guys around it and show you what we got. Starting down here, we have a Sprint trailer. Like I said, y'all, this is the trailer that's not made for this boat. If you guys can look up here, the tongue of the boat is a lot longer, and we're just gonna start showing some of the bad things, all right?
So, I mean, you just mean all of it, or?
Elsa, shut up. It's bad here, the tongue of it. It's a lot longer than what we need, so Austin and I are probably gonna have to cut this off. We'll re-weld it, get that a little bit shorter. But it's not in terrible condition. I mean, it's not something that we cannot fix. We need to order everything new up here. Underneath the boat is not that bad. Like I said, it was a package deal. We got the trolling motor with it too. It's a motor guide. It's a 43 thrust trolling motor, bass trolling motor, which is nice. Guys, inside the floor right here, we have the passenger seat, not the driver. That's not important. Steering wheel, I mean, it's just, we got our little throttle. Back here, we have our 2 live wells, or some storage, whatever you want to call it. One of these could be a live well. Need to take that off too. And then back here, the actual machine of this boat is a 50 horse Mercury. Mercuries are really good motors. This thing fires right up. We just need a gas tank. The battery's good. I mean, y'all, she's all here. See this, what we got here? Also a little package deal. Oh yeah, look at this thing.
I think you calling it a package deal.
It's a package deal. Everything I find in here is a package. This bucket, that's
gas tank, dude.
That's our gas tank. Say it's not that bad the whole entire video. It's not, oh, and don't even look at that. It's not that bad, it's fine. So, this is what we got, y'all. It's what where's the light? It's what we're gonna have to do to make this boat ours. We're just gonna have to customize, and that's the fun thing about it. So look, even the guy threw in some compounds and a little buffing pad. It's all good. So today's goal.
Free bungee cord.
A bungee cord?
Bungee cord.
What?
Package deal.
Package deal. What we have to do today is there's a lot of wires in this boat. We don't know what they go to. We try to get the trolling motor fired up yesterday from a couple of negative and positive terminals we had, and it still wasn't working. It could not work at all. But I know for sure the motor runs. We're just solid. I mean, the motor itself it's all there to want to buy this boat. So we need to start stripping some stuff off. We bought the buffer today, the power wash. I mean, we bought a lot of stuff. It is freezing cold and raining right now. So don't know what all we're gonna get done today, but for sure we're gonna strip this boat, take out most of the stuff we do not need. Austin and I plan on rewiring this whole entire boat. I mean, this thing is bad. If y'all like what we do to my trucks and everything that we buy and own, it's going to be the same thing. We're going to fully build this boat. But that's what we got. We're going to roll with it. That being said, let's get to work. Okay. Alright, little update. We took some of the railing off. Trolling motor is seized in. Like these bolts are not in good shape. Some of the plates off on that side. If we did more, we did that one up there. Totally unprepared. I don't know why. Also, I did not bring any power tools at all. At this point, we're just gonna start cutting shit because there's no need to try to tinker with it. We're not gonna reuse it. So we're making another game plan. We're gonna run to Olson's house, get our tools, and come back and actually put a hurting on this thing. So we'll be back. We're back and not short on tools now. We're just messing around with a couple things. We're getting done a lot quicker. Really needed those, but we are prepared now so we can actually get to work. Like I said, we picked the boat up, the motor does turn over right away. You just can't really idle it the way we want to because we don't have a gas tank and we don't have no water hooked up to it. But the trolling motor, look y'all, there's wires just everywhere, and we were just testing to see if certain ones would make it run, and we could not get the trolling motor to work. So we're actually taking off the housing where the trolling motor gets its power from. We're gonna try to see if we can test straight behind that to see if we have a good trolling motor.
Oh, it keeps going over there.
We did not test these. Oh, it sparked. Hold on, it's just bad connection also. Hold on. It worked. Is it stuck? Hold on.
I got it now.
Okay. Dude, it works, Austin. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna turn you guys. I think we just got it figured out. Austin's gonna play with it up. Oh, there it is. Austin even lights up right here.
Really?
Yeah.
That's 4. This is number 5.
Good. Yes. That thing moves too, man. And she turns, Bo. It's smooth too. I mean,
yeah.
Imagine the weight of your foot. I mean, it just needs to get lubricated and some.
I mean, it's honestly pretty touchy.
Yeah, no, it's sensitive. It's a good motor, man. I love motor guides, and it freaking works, dude. What?
Look at all that right there. Just gunk.
Spent like 30 minutes trying to get this freaking thing off the steering wheel. It only comes one way with these old ones. They're pressed in and pin the butt, but we got it off. Now we're just gonna remove this, get rid of this cover. We're gonna reframe and build all new stuff, so we just need the actual housing of it. Y'all can see we got a lot done, gutted a lot, trolling motors off, did a little bit of wiring up here to get that disconnected. Steering wheel off its little plastic. Cut out these so we can rearrange our seats. In the back end we didn't do too much because all back here is just nasty wiring. Hold on. Y'all can't see it, but I'll get you a light. Ah, it's not good. Not good at all. And a lot of these wires literally go to and connect to nothing, so we're gonna have to strip all this out. But for the most part, I think this is where we're gonna stop today, just because, like I said, we got a lot done, and it's just that kind of stopping point. We wanted to power wash it, but it's been raining all day. It's freezing cold. We want a better day, so when we spread the boat down, we can actually do it outside, and then it can dry off. When we get a nicer day, that we can actually pull the boat out and really wash it the way we want to, and really see what this paint and what it's got to offer inside. That day will come, but what do you think, Austin?
I think it's good. I think we're getting somewhere. It'd be nice when we can start building this thing back together.
It's gonna be really good, man. I'm excited for it. So if y'all enjoy watching this content, excited about this boat build, let me know in the comments down below. I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, Litton Bass TV.